Team, today we're gonna do a little Eastern Carolina style pulled pork. Guys, we're gonna do it on my Traeger today, my Woodridge Pro. It's gonna be amazing. You're gonna wanna stick around for this one. Real quick, I wanna thank this week's sponsor, BetterHelp. A bit more on them later. Okay, so we got a little small pork butt here. I don't think it was more than like 7-8 pounds or so. It looks like the grocery store butcher just kind of shaved it off of a whole hind quarter or shoulder or whatever it's called. It left the skin on, so we took some time and got that skin off, okay? Tried to leave as much of the fat cap as I could, and then I scored that fat cap so we can get a little bit of that seasoning in there, help it render, you know, normal stuff we do with pulled pork. For the sauce we're gonna use on this, we're using some bone-sucking sauce, Eastern vinegar, okay? Guys, it's tangy, it's spicy, you're gonna love the stuff, and I love the name of the company. And we're actually using their Cajun seasoning and rub too. And I'll put a link down below so you can get some of this stuff. It's not affiliating like that. I love the company, I love the name, and the owner is the coolest guy around, so check him out. So when we season it with that Cajun rub, we're going to heavily coat it. We're going front, back, side to side, all that good stuff. It's a big piece of meat. It can handle a lot of seasoning. And then, like I said, we're gonna use our Traeger Woodridge Pro today. We are going hot and fast with this one. We're gonna set it to 325. I prefer going hot and fast with the briskets and the pork butts and all that stuff, just because I don't like eating midnight pork or midnight brisket, right? Right. We're gonna throw our Temp Spike Plus in the pork butt. Guys, you know I stand behind my ThermoPro products. Up to 600 feet of Bluetooth wireless connectivity. So guys, check it out right now. They got a deal going on right now. You buy one, get one free. And if you use my link, it'll save you a little bit of extra cash too. Obviously, it helps out your boy. Cool, cool. So link in the video description, or I'll put a QR code up on the screen here too, somewhere where you can see it. All right, in case you're watching on TV. And as far as pellets go, we're going with my favorite Smokin Pecan pellets. They burn cleaner, they burn longer, tons of smoke. And recently that was scientifically proven by my guy Steve at Smoke Trails Barbecue. I'll put a link for his video up there. He goes through the whole gambit, puts comparisons together, gets a little sciencey on there. It's worth a watch after you watch this video, of course. And again, if you use my link, it'll save you 10% on your first order. And, you know, it's a great company. Love the owner. Good people, for real. So you're supporting small business, and that's awesome too. So I'll have the link in the video description, or of course the QR code's up on the screen here somewhere too. Cool, cool. All right, let's go ahead and get outside, fire up that Traeger. What do you say? But wait, before we go outside, we got to pay the bills and talk about this week's sponsor, BetterHelp. Listen, my goal this year is all about consistency, okay? Whether it's consistency in filming, in my weight loss journey, consistently taking Mrs. CJ out on date nights. Consistency is the key. Consistency is not just a quick fix. It's a habit that's nurtured, and then it builds lasting support for your well-being. And that's why I'm glad I have BetterHelp. It helps me be consistent in taking care of my mental health. With BetterHelp, it makes it really easy. All you guys do is fill out a simple questionnaire, and they will match you with the therapist within a couple days. BetterHelp will match you with the therapist based on their own experiences, based on your preferences, and their own clinical expertise. And BetterHelp has over a decade of matching people with great therapists. Tell you what, if you don't jive with the therapist you're matched with, you can switch at any time. So join the 6 million people plus that have already worked with BetterHelp. It's definitely the platform you can trust. Click the link on my video description or go to betterhelp.com/cookingwithcj, and it'll save you 10% on your first month's therapy. Thanks to BetterHelp for being such a great channel sponsor and partner over the years. All right, now it's time to go outside and fire up that Traeger. What do you say? All right, team, we're a few hours in, almost at the 170 on the temp. I'm gonna give it a little mop with our bone-sucking sauce. Add a little bit more flavor while it's finishing up here. We're using a little of this Eastern vinegar bone-sucking sauce. I do not have a mop right now, so we're gonna use the brush. Brush some on. And then when we wrap this, we'll pour a little bit of this on there. And then after we pull it, we'll put some there on there too. All right, let it go a little bit longer, and then we'll wrap it. All right, guys, we pulled off a ton of bark. Look at that.
It's time to wrap this bad boy. Let's get it in the house.
All right, team, we're up to temp on our little pork butt there. It's temping out about 190. I set my instant read for 170, but I decided to let it go a little bit further, get as much smoke as possible, because instead of wrapping it and putting it back in the Traeger and trying to finish it up really quickly, we're actually gonna bring it inside, wrap it with a little bit of that Eastern Vinegar Sauce over the top. You know, we already mopped a little bit on there. So now we're gonna braise it in it. And I'm gonna do something I've been doing a lot recently with my pulled pork, my briskets, any of the big cooks. I've been actually wrapping it and then sticking it in my oven on the warm setting overnight, okay? So it's kind of akin of putting it in your cooler wrapped in a towel and all that, so it keeps that heat going, but it keeps kind of breaking down the meats, the fibers, all that stuff. But for me, the warm setting on my oven is 170, so that keeps it, you know, safe all night, and you know, keeps breaking down those fibers and the fats and the collagen and all that stuff in there, right? So we'll pull it out. I'll show you it as I take off the top. It's definitely a shoulder bone there, because you know, you got that little knuckle in there, and we're just gonna shred it up with that bone real quick, you know, just show how tender that pork is. And then I'm gonna get in there with my gloved hands and just kind of keep going at it, keep pulling it. We're gonna throw a little bit more of that Eastern Vinegar Sauce in there, because, you know, guys, it's so tasty. And then we're gonna mix it through that pork and just keep shredding and pulling and all that. And now we're done. It's time to take a taste test, okay? Guys, if you want anything I used in the videos, click the links in the video descriptions, of course. It's all affiliate style, but it helps out your boy too. So, you know, something to think about. And also, you become a channel producer, like all the awesome people that scroll on the end of the videos, all right? Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description, or you hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now, all right? But guys, there's nothing left to do. Grab a little pinch of the goodness here, all right? Cheers. God, finger looking good. It's so good. Tangy, spicy, sweet. Give this a try. You won't be sorry. But that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.